The most important property of a prosthetic for the dentist probably is that the denture is resistant to the chewing forces. We started using JUVORA in 2011 when they had available the milling disc for the CAD/CAM technology. We used JUVORA as a framework material for implant-supported full arch bridges. Before using JUVORA, we traditionally used for these kind of bridges metal ceramic bridges or metal acrylic bridges. These traditional materials do not meet the parafunctional side of view. So with PEEK we have a much more natural material because it's elastic and it's like a shock absorber for the chewing forces. And we observe in our patients that every year we have more patients with parafunctions like pressing or bruxism. But I think about 10% of patients have parafunctional occlusal forces, and especially in patients where we have implants, because the loss of a tooth has normally, or as in a lot of cases, the cause is parafunction. A material with 26 times more shock absorption than the traditional materials for us is a marvelous fact, because these parafunctions cause us a lot of problems. If we have a material that neutralizes these parafunctions, I think it's one of the best news in dentistry since decades. To reduce or avoid restoration damage is one of the most important things for a dentist, because the problems a dentist have come from this part. If we have a material that has possibilities to avoid damage, it is the first choice material. The implant restoration damage may be in the prosthesis or maybe in the implant. And both are very actual problems in dentistry. And since we use JUVORA, we have very little problems with these structures. With JUVORA we can do a lot of things differently. We can make definite, high quality prostheses without metal. Then we have the shock absorber in the prosthesis. We have happy patients, they have a natural chewing experience. So I think there's a long list of advantages using JUVORA. The patients give us a fantastic feedback. They're very pleased with all kind of JUVORA-based prostheses, maybe removable or fixed prostheses, because they like this natural chewing experience. They feel comfortable. JUVORA is a good solution for various points. The most important points, because it's the most natural material, or the material most close to nature I know.